In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a classroom into the Wisconsin State Pyramid Model Implementation Data System, or PIDS. Setting up classrooms is really the first step in setting up your program within the system. And you'll have to enter those classrooms in order to enter any classroom level data, such as tippy toes or teapot observations, as well as any child level data, like ASQSE scores or behavior incident reports. To enter a classroom, you first need to get to the classroom dashboard. You can do that by clicking on Classrooms over here on the left side menu, or you can come to the top dashboard menu, click on it, and click on Classrooms there. Either way, it's going to take you to the classroom dashboard. To enter a new classroom, you're going to click the button, Add New Classroom. And then you need to enter some information about the classroom. The first section is classroom name, and this is where you should put whatever name your staff and families use to identify that classroom. So it could be a room number or the ages served or whatever name is being used. So I'm going to put in an example here. The next section is ID number. ID numbers are used to anonymously identify that classroom in some reports and at some data viewing levels. They can be any combination of letters and numbers that you want to use. The next section is location. And this is where you're going to put in any information that notes where that classroom is. So for programs that have sites, that have classrooms in multiple sites, you might use the name of the school or the address of the school. You can use just the city that your program is located in. You can be more specific with the location within the building. Whatever information you want to put in for location, you can. Whatever's going to help you note where that classroom is. The next three sections are yes or no questions. So the first question is this classroom an infant or toddler classroom? And you're going to select the most appropriate answer, yes or no. The next question is if it's a preschool classroom, and again, you're just going to select the most appropriate answer. You can answer yes to both of these questions if it's a multi-age classroom. The final question is if that classroom is being currently served by a substitute. Again, you're going to select yes or no, whatever is most appropriate. Once you have all of that information entered, you're going to save the classroom by clicking Save. And now you can see that my classroom that I just entered is now in my classroom roster right here. If I need to fix something or change something, I can come over to Actions, click on it, and then I can edit the classroom or delete it. You're going to want to enter every classroom that's in your program into the system. And remember that entering classrooms is the first step in setting up your program. So you need to enter classrooms before you can enter any children or employees or any kind of data that goes along with those two pieces of information. So make sure you set up your classrooms first.